Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. Today I'm going to be repainting and clear coating the wheels and tires that were on this 66 Mustang that I've been working on. So I'm going to set you guys up and show you how I did that. What I'm going to do is sand off this clear coat that's peeling, and then I'm going to wire brush all the aluminum, get ready to paint these wheels. I got a string tying the valve stem back out of the way, so as the tire spins and the wire wheels here, I don't catch the valve stem. I bought new center caps. I'm not concerned about them. I got my safety shield. Got a little 2-inch sander, fine piece of paper. I don't want anything real aggressive. You're in there. Now this rim has a lot of road rash, curb damage here. Now that I can get more aggressive with. Got a, I don't know, 40 grit disc on there, so I can grind that down a little better. So, get busy. First I'm going to start the sander. And sand the paint or clear coat off. Of course, the air compressor is running. I'm going to take care of that road rash first, or curb rash. Well, there's no sense in me have you guys watch me do this. I'm going to set you on time lapse. Yeah, I put the rim up on a Workmate, and I want to try see if it's easier to do. I know it's going to be easier to sand this and tape it all off when it's up here. Yeah, of course, I waited till I'm doing the fourth wheel to finally put it up on something where I can stand and do this. I don't think I ever claimed to be real smart. Yeah, it's working pretty good. I'm going to finish this up, sand this, and then I'm going to tape it. I need to tape along the area that I am wire brushing. Paint this dark gray. Take that tape off and move it out here, and then clear coat everything. Back to time lapse. Okay, I got it all sanded down. Just going to clean it off. And then I'm going to tape it and paint it. Probably be easier to paint all four wheels at once. The other three are still on the car. And I'm going to have to think about if I want to do them one at a time. Problem doing four all at once. Where to put them in here? You know, while I'm painting it, I guess I can set one on top of that engine. One here. One over on some boxes on that side. 5-gallon bucket over on this side. I'll figure it out. A lot of times I don't know what I'm going to do until I do it. Well, that took some time. I got everything taped, covered off. I'm going to do all four at once. If I was to do one at a time, that would take me 4 days. I don't want to waste 4 days on this. So I've got all four of them set up. And I'm going to be using Dupli-Color wheel paint. The color is supposed to be like the cap, and it's called Graphite. It says to put on some light coats 10 minutes apart. So that's what I'll do. I'll bring you back after I'm done. Okay, I sprayed on the color, and then I took all the tape off this outer edge and moved everything to the outside. And I just sprayed on a coat of clear. Well, in fact, 2 coats of clear. and I have to wait 10 minutes and then put on another coat. I think they're looking great. I like the color. It's exactly what I was hoping for. And there's no sense in showing you how I spray paint. I spray it just like everybody else. Rattle can, shake it, push, okay. Then I'll bring it back tomorrow when I have them on the car. It's the next day. Everything is done. All the paint and clear coat is applied. It's dry. Now I need to remove the plastic and tape, put the wheels on the car. All right, I got that off. I got my Telegraph Cruise t-shirt on today. This weekend is the Telegraph Cruise in Michigan, kind of where Telegraph Road, which is US 24, and I-94 cross in that whole area. Should be thousands of cars out there. All right, now I'm going to put the wheels on the car. Okay, the wheels, tires are back on the car. I got some new center caps on order. They're chrome. They're these little things that snap right in the center. You know, I could paint these, but I think the chrome ones with a Mustang emblem are going to be more appropriate. So they're coming. I think the wheels came out great. I got to clean up the tires, make them shine. But this part's all done. So I hope you enjoyed me painting the wheels and tires on this 66 Mustang. Thank you for watching Dan's Messy Garage. And just stay tuned for some other video another day. Bye.